going to we need to get this out of the way, so we'll take the motor mounts off, pulley, dampener, timing cover, pull the cam out of it, oil pump, and the pickup tube, and the hardened oil pump shaft. And then we can move it somewhere else. So anyway, let me get to work. Somebody mentioned again fixing this and putting it in. I think we've moved past the orange. You know, maybe McNugget has shown us potential, glimpses of his potential. He's also shown us a lot of not whatever, where he's not happy, and that was when Kevin had it, and technically when I've had it. So maybe we got off this whole thing, got off on the wrong foot with this just this engine. Maybe that was the whole problem. You know, I work out on the production lines. We definitely believe in mechanical superstitions. We weren't allowed to wear a red shirt ever. So maybe that's what we have going on here, some kind of mechanical superstition, and we just got to get rid of it. Anyway, look at me using these power tools. Look at that. Look at me being a guy. My boy Lance hooked me up on that. We just gotta get the ones off there. So here's another view of this piston. I didn't really show it up. It's, you know, it's broken. I think we're gonna be able to use that anyway. So, but yeah, we're gonna put the other engine in. I've already really got myself talked into that. I feel like that's going to help us be a little faster than we were. It was always the plan anyway for that to go in there, so we'll just make it happen. I'm the world's worst about losing bolts and stuff. I may not be the world's worst, but I'm top 10, that's fact. Okay, let me get that off, then we'll get a hammer and we'll try to get the cam out. All right, I feel like Arthur pulling Excalibur out of the stone. Ouch. Thanks, McNugget. One last little. You might be able to, it hit the cam here, a piece, it hit the cam right here, and it got it just right here and right there. We might be able to kind of polish that out, so to speak. So otherwise, might use this chain. Don't know. Well, I'll flip it over and look at it a little bit, laying on its back. It also flipped around and got a piece of number 8 too, so, and the crankshaft has got some, you know, it's got some spots on it. Don't look fantastic. See right there where it got into the counter. So, yep. Like I say, there's another shot of number 4. So, oh well, it bees that way. We had ideas of putting our girdle with our Canton windage tray, with our race pan. This is different because it has the bolts go up through the backside. If you'll notice on this one, it doesn't go up the backside, it bolts on normally, it's just up the sides. Also, hey, dang it. Also, someone was yelling at me, you know, this stock bell housing launching so hard, and I've got a quick time bell. I've had it for years and years and years. Maybe I'll put it on. It is like 14 pounds heavier, just saying, than the factory stuff. So, but how much are your legs worth? So anyway, I think now I'm gonna pull the gas tank out of it. Got the gas tank and stuff out. Got the lines pulled out, so more progress. Hey, no, we're not going turbo, but these are the Flowtech forward-facing style turbo headers. Use them for natural aspirated as well. These are the 1 3/4 size. Michael had bought these from Richard Sickles a couple of years ago, and I was just, you know, I said, hey, do you mind if I borrow them? I just want to use them, you know, look at some mock-up stuff, you know, just wannabe race car. It's like anything else with McNugget, it's kind of snowballing, and how far do I want to go with some of the things that I want to do, and just do it all while I got the car half apart and stuff like that. So in reality, we haven't got a lot done just because our motivation has been our motivation's been unmotivated. How about that? So, and weathers, but we've had some days we could have worked on it and we haven't. So, that's on us. Anyway, still deciding what I want to do with the oil pan. I go back and forth between keeping this one and fixing the other one kind of jankied up and put it on, or do the aluminum one. Even though I know it doesn't have a baffle in the back, you know, I can kind of take care of that, but it's a lot lighter. So I'm like, ooh, wait. And I don't know. So sorry, got off work a little bit ago. So yeah, I got a lot of different ideas that are all fragmented. I've been trying to kind of pull together, and what do I need to order, and you know, money's always an issue. So what do I need to order to do this, or you know, so I haven't made a ton of progress. So, but I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, if I can talk these out of Pirate, like if I can buy them from them at a reasonable price for what he paid Richard for them, then I think we'll lean more into doing that. Can always go back to the other stuff if I don't like this whole situation, but I really need to kind of get the engine set down in the car to decide. But anyway, so that's what we're doing. We're still, again, working on it, getting parts together, stuff like that, but we're getting closer to cool weather. Hopefully the track will bump the time back down to a more manageable thing for us as far as going and getting home and going to work the next day. Like I say, I get up around between 2:15 and 2:30 in the morning to get ready to go to work. So You know, about to get a little sleep. So anyway, guess that's it for this one. It's a short one. Again, not much going on, but anyway, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't want to. But especially, thanks for watching. And until next time on the Substandard Leader and Box Body videos. One year only link on This Here Man's YouTube. 1 year only Lincolns for drag vans. And as always, fighting a good fight against Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video. I don't think it looks that bad. It'd be kind of cool. It's a wannabe race car. Wannabe race car driver. Wannabe race car.